Learn a new language and you'll discover a new world.
Throw, threw, thrown.
I feel like giving up.
Why? What's wrong?
Every time I try something new, life throws me setbacks.
That's hard, but setbacks aren't the end.
I know, but it makes me tired.
Come on, don't be so hard on yourself.
Easy for you to say, but you're not the one that has all these setbacks.
Maybe, but life gives us setbacks. That's just life.
You aren't me.
What do you mean?
Think about last year. I threw everything I had into that project.
Yeah, I know.
After that, everything collapsed.
Yeah, I was so sorry when I hear that.
So, you see why it still hurts.
But it's given you experience.
I don't know what the right thing to do is.
Everything will be okay. Really. Trust me.
That's hard to do right now.
Don't worry. Every setback you faced has thrown open a new door.
Maybe you're right.
You just have to be brave enough to walk through it. Let's review the forms of throw in this dialogue. Throw. Present simple. Life throws me setbacks. Life throws setbacks at you. Threw. Past simple. I threw everything I had into that project. Thrown. Present perfect. Every setback you faced has thrown open a new door. That's enough for today's practice. What do you know about this sentence? Life may throw you setbacks, but it's also thrown open new doors. So be brave and keep moving.